there is strength in the youth, endless amount of blessing in the one that is gifted. These were found in all 6 of the top awardees of the Mr. and Miss St. Richard's Talent Competition for 2025.
St. Richard's is 93 years old, and we wanted to be a little bit more intentional about how we celebrated our Founders Day. So we spoke with the PTA and we came up with the idea of celebrating the talents of the children. So we came up with the Mr. and Miss St. Richard's Talent Competition.
And stepping up to the podium were the Believer, the Lioness, the Rocker, Beethoven in the Making, Sir Praise, and Mrs. Moves. This is Kiara, and if it wasn't obvious already, she loves dancing. Kiara has been dancing since she was 2 years old, and her inspiration is her aunt Stacy, who teaches her the art form. Savannah discovered her talent for playing the piano at age 4, a born crowd pleaser. She enjoys the joy in the faces of her audience as she plays.
The children did really well in the competition, and they participate outside of school. But sometimes in the school, we don't get to see what they do. So it was really a good opportunity to see the tremendous talent of the children, and they really performed well.
In addition to singing, Daniel enjoys dancing and drawing, though she's still working on that skill.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, I grew politely.
This self-proclaimed foodie chose the song Roar to perform because it inspires her to do great things.
I've got the eye of a tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar.
Adam is a gamer, but he also enjoys reading. In addition to singing, he plays the drums and is learning to play the piano.
One of the things that I think is really important, and the whole school community feels important, is to encourage children to develop their confidence. And yeah, when they're in class and they answer questions and they do things, they're among their peers, but they put them in front of people that they're not necessarily familiar with. And for them to really come out and be confident in what they're presenting was an important objective of this competition, which I think was fully achieved.
J. Anthony loves singing and chose this song, The Goodness of God, because it is his favorite.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me, and all my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up
Derek loves to play musical instruments, particularly the drums. His hobbies include music production and playing football. These talented youngsters have some words of encouragement for other young people struggling with stage fright.
To just go on stage. It doesn't matter who's watching you. Just have fun with your talents.
No matter if you're nervous, take a deep breath and look forward. Do your movements and have fun.